Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now you guys, today's video is a couple do-it-yourself items. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this video started. And two, this is our new channel banner for the channel. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe and join. And you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored. This is sponsored by Omax. Now, Omax is an low-T smart home device company, and they sent me these Alexa compatible plugs for free to test, you guys. Now you guys, I did receive these items here. I'm just showing you this plug, you guys. Now this individual plugs, and they do have like a power or a reset button on them as well. I also received this one here, and this is that outlet extender plug, you guys. Now all of these plugs are USB surge protector plugs, and they do come with 3 individually controlled smart outlets and 3 USB ports as well. They work with Alexa and Google Home. They also work with your standard wall adapter plugs for APP control, and they're 15 amps, you guys. Now they do have the power, and again, this is a 6 plug outlet, you guys. Now you can plug up your smartphone or any small device with that USB and charge while you are charging up your household lamps and everything. Do make sure you check my description box for these items. They are listed down in the description. And thank you Omax for reaching out to me. Now you guys, this first section of the video, we are painting my sister's coffee and end table. Now she found these this coffee table and end table, you guys, at a estate sale, you guys. They did have some damage, but she liked the style of the table, and I told her that was an easy fix. And as you can see, you guys, I left my tripod at home and I was painting, so it's going to be a little bumpy at first, but I'm just trying to show you how I am going to transform the life of this coffee and end table. Now we are using that Sherwin-Williams standing ovation paint. I do love it, but I will tell you it is super pricey. Now this gallon of paint, you guys, was $65 a gallon, but I promise you, if you see the paint and the color of it, it is so well worth it. But you can save your coins and use a cheaper version of the paint. But we're just going to paint this coffee table, and you see my sister likes things that has a lot of detail on them. So we're just going to go through the motion. Watch me as we transform this coffee table and these 2 end tables in a do-it-yourself tutorial style. And make sure you keep watching, because we do have some more items coming for you that we are doing in this video. And those smart plugs, you will see those put to use inside of this video. And two, you guys, I'll tell you, don't paint this way unless you are very skillful. And I had to strategically keep the camera sitting on a certain way because my sister already had company and I didn't want to invade anyone's privacy. But look at this first nice thing. I'm sorry, end table, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? We left the handles, I just stuck them back in there, but you guys, we are going to be adding different hardware, and you're gonna see that change when we do her living room tour in her home as well. But look at the color of these, you guys. These pieces are gorgeous, and as you can see here, I got a remnant of all of the extra paint on the top. Now if you don't know how to paint and paint well, don't do this, because you'll end up doing a bunch of scraping. Now I got it off my way because I do a little hack, because when I paint this way, you guys, I got like a sander, and I'll knock the heaviness of that overlaid paint off. But we're going to finish this coffee table up, you guys, and we're going to come right back. Now we have this coffee table completed. We're just letting it dry, and it's still wet. I'm gonna come in a couple more spots, and the light spots, you guys, is where you saw that I was actually going back and adding in more paint. But let me tell you, and this I'm gonna drop the color on the screen. Now you guys, for the next portion of this video, as you can see, we are painting these lampshades, and I am using and it's called aquamarine in the color, and you're gonna see soon in an upcoming video on our other channel, Her Home Is, where these will be styled. So do make sure you stay tuned for that. And we're gonna not only paint them, you guys, but you know we're gonna jazz them up as well. So just follow me along, and you guys, I'm just keeping my method of painting, trying to evenly kind of sort of coat the lampshade. I will tell you, using this color, I will tell you, I do think that if you're painting a dark color, it will go over spectacular. Now this is my second coat. I did a total of 4 coats, and I will let you know too, you guys, at the end of that 4th coat, and even in between that 3rd and 4th coat, you guys, I was sanding it down as well. So not only did I paint it, I took my sander and sanding brush, and I did sand the paint to give it a smooth finish. And now you guys, I have did my final sanding, and we're going to dress it up with these strips of this crystal rhinestone. Now you guys, this crystal rhinestone is actually from BeeBeeCraft. I am going to use some from Temu as well. I'm going to drop the links for those down in the description. If you are a content creator and you would like to partner with BeeBeeCraft, make sure you do check that information out in the description, because they are sponsoring this portion of the video. Now you guys, we're just going to jazz it up, and my original intentions was to just put that rhinestone on the bottom, but after I got it on the bottom, you guys, it commanded me to add a little more on there. So follow me along as you see how we finish jazzing up these hand painted lampshades. Now this is what that bottom piece looked like completed, and I told you it did command me to add more. And as you can see, I have already added in my other rhinestone at the top. Now you guys, that row on the bottom is a 9 row, and the row on the top is actually a 4 row. But it did make these lampshades very, very beautiful. And we're just finishing it up, and we're going to just put the lampshades on and let you see what they look like styled with the lamps. And here are both of those lampshades, and I am pleasantly pleased, and my brother will be a recipient of these once we finish with them. And I'm just adding the lampshades back on the lamp, you guys, and I'm going to let you see how the lamps look. And you guys, here is that Omax, which is still GHome smart plugs. I'm just going to unplug my cord, and I'm going to actually install my smart plugs, and I need to add in 2. And then once I plug them up, you're going to see they begin to blink, you guys. They were coming online. Now I'm just going to plug my lamps back in. And as I get both of my lamps plugged in, you guys still make sure you go over and check out Omax, which is GHome, for use some of these smart plugs. Remember, my information is down in my description box along with the link for these. And to you guys, do make sure you come back on Sunday, you guys, at 7 p.m. on Her Home Is to see this room styling. And now I'm just putting that second lampshade on, you guys. And once again, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you click that link and we'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.